In 2025, the landscape of Bitcoin ownership had shifted dramatically, creating a new echelon of wealth that was as enigmatic as it was influential. At the forefront of this digital gold rush were three individuals whose backgrounds and strategies for acquiring their fortunes painted a vivid picture of the cryptocurrency market's evolution. The first of the trio was Amelia Chen, a former software engineer turned crypto entrepreneur. Amelia's journey began in the early 2010s when she stumbled upon Bitcoin while researching blockchain technology for a project at her job. Intrigued by its potential, she invested a modest sum of her savings, never imagining the meteoric rise that would follow. By 2025, Amelia had amassed over 100,000 Bitcoins, making her one of the largest holders in the world. Her strategy was not merely about buying and holding. Amelia was a pioneer in the development of decentralized finance, DeFi platforms that integrated Bitcoin into their ecosystems. She recognized early on that the future of finance lay in creating applications that could utilize Bitcoin's blockchain for more than just currency. By launching a series of successful DeFi projects, she not only increased her Bitcoin holdings through strategic investments, but also positioned herself as a thought leader in the space. Amelia's influence extended beyond her wealth. With her platforms, she empowered countless individuals to engage with cryptocurrency, democratizing access to financial tools that were previously reserved for the elite. As a result, she became a vocal advocate for regulatory clarity in the cryptocurrency market, believing that a stable regulatory environment would attract more institutional investors and further legitimize Bitcoin. Her efforts to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world made her a prominent figure at conferences and in media discussions, where she often emphasized the importance of transparency and innovation. The second major player in the Bitcoin realm was Marcus Reynolds, a former hedge fund manager who had made a name for himself in traditional finance. In 2020, after witnessing the volatility of the stock market during the pandemic, Marcus pivoted to cryptocurrency, believing it was the future of wealth preservation. His strategy was aggressive. He utilized his financial acumen to leverage investments and trade Bitcoin at opportune moments. By 2025, he held an impressive portfolio of 200,000 Bitcoins, primarily acquired through a combination of strategic buying during market dips and selling at peaks. Marcus's approach was characterized by meticulous research and an almost instinctual grasp of market trends. He became known for his ability to predict price movements, earning him a reputation as a Bitcoin oracle. His insights were sought after by both retail investors and institutions, and he often hosted webinars and wrote analytical pieces that demystified the complexities of the cryptocurrency market. However, his influence was not without controversy. Some critics argued that his trading strategies contributed to market volatility, leading to significant losses for less experienced investors. Finally, there was Sofia Martinez, a tech-savvy activist who had entered the cryptocurrency space through a grassroots movement advocating for financial inclusion. Growing up in a low-income neighborhood, Sofia had witnessed firsthand the barriers to traditional banking. In 2023, she launched a nonprofit organization aimed at educating underserved communities about cryptocurrency. Her initial foray into Bitcoin was modest, but as her organization gained traction, so did her influence. By 2025, she had accumulated 50,000 Bitcoins, primarily through donations and partnerships with tech firms that supported her mission. Sofia's strategy was unique. She focused on building a community around Bitcoin, emphasizing its potential to empower individuals economically. Her organization provided workshops, resources, and access to Bitcoin wallets, enabling thousands to participate in the crypto economy. As a result, she became a respected voice in the cryptocurrency community, advocating for ethical practices and social responsibility. Her impact on the market was profound, as she inspired a new generation of investors who viewed Bitcoin not just as an asset, but as a tool for social change. Together, Amelia, Marcus, and Sofia represented the diverse tapestry of Bitcoin holders in 2025. Their backgrounds, strategies, and philosophies illustrated the multifaceted nature of the cryptocurrency market, revealing how wealth could be acquired, utilized, and shared in ways that transcended mere financial gain. As they navigated the complexities of this digital frontier, their stories highlighted the transformative power of Bitcoin, shaping not only their lives but the future of finance itself.